If you've been searching for a single-story home that checks all the boxes, look no further than 248 Chambers Drive in Lincoln's quiet Brookview community. With no HOA and exceptionally low Mello Roos, you'll enjoy more control over your property and more money in your pocket each month. Stepping inside reveals an open, light-filled floor plan with soaring cathedral ceilings that create an impressive sense of space. The great room concept with dining and living combo flows seamlessly, perfect for everyday living and entertaining company. Notice the newer wood-laminate flooring throughout. The kitchen has been beautifully updated within the last decade, featuring granite counters, a pantry cabinet, and breakfast area. All your major appliances are included. That cozy fireplace adds warmth and ambience on cooler nights. And there's direct access to that charming barbecue patio, ideal for private moments and outdoor entertaining alike. The home offers 3 comfortable bedrooms plus a versatile office space that could easily function as a 4th bedroom, giving you options as your needs change. Both full bathrooms have been tastefully updated, with the main bath featuring double sinks and a convenient tub-shower combination. Notice that the master bathroom is elegantly updated with tile everything. Tile around the soaking bath, tile around the shower, and the stunning tile floors. And notice the back paneling in the bathroom. All these appointments combine to give the occupant a sense of luxury while doing their daily grooming. The dedicated inside laundry room includes cabinets, a sink, and hookups for both electric and gas dryers. Thoughtful details that make daily life easier. Now here's where this property really stands out. A massive 3-car garage with dedicated workshop space. Whether you're a hobbyist, contractor, or just appreciate abundant storage, this setup could be a game changer for you. Speaking of rare features, let's go take a look at this paved RV and boat parking along the side yard. Properties with dedicated RV access are increasingly hard to find, making this yard an attractive option for outdoor enthusiasts. The mature, low-maintenance landscaping means you can enjoy your weekends rather than spending them on yard work. Call 530-852-1512 today to schedule your private showing and get the goods on seller incentives.